Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to send videos from your gallery as a snap on Snapchat. For this, let's open Snapchat. And now we want to record a small video, just very short, like this. Like this. Perfect. Then what you want to do, hit this little plus in the left bottom corner. And now on the right, go to import media. It's the last one on the right. Click this and then click a video from your camera roll and hit the yellow sign like this. And then what you can do is click on the video you made before, on the black one, here like this, and just delete it. Now you have this. And just go to preview. And now here's the video. Just go send to. And let's try it out. As you can see, it delivered it as a normal snap. Okay, that was a little hack on how to send videos from your gallery as a snap on Snapchat. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.